Right, welcome to Monster TV today. So today's goal, well, it's not really a goal, it's gonna do it, is I got a nail in my rear tyre. So I've got to take it down to get new tyres. Great. God. Unfortunately, oh, you can't even see me. Unfortunately, because I'm having a different size put on, they won't change it on the car. I've never heard of that, but well, what can I say? So I've got to get my car out now, and I've got to take the rear wheels off. Then I've got to throw the rear wheels in my Lupo. Then I've got to go down, give them the wheels, and they'll change the tyres over, bring them back, put them back on. Now I'm hoping they fit because they haven't got my tyre size, and I'm impatient and can't be bothered to wait a week or so for tyres, especially as I do use this car and I don't really want driving around with screw in it. So I've gone for a tyre that's slightly wider. I'm hoping it doesn't hit my suspension or my arches, and I hope it actually fits on the rim. So it could be quite interesting, this. If I get down there and it doesn't fit, I guess they're gonna have to put a smaller size on, which I think is still slightly bigger than what I did have, but oh well, one way to find out, isn't there? So let's get this out and let's get the tyres off. Hopefully I can undo the nuts. The nuts! Right, let's get it out. Oh man, every video makes that so bad. Nuts, get it out. Funny. Right, let's do this. Cold start up. Right, got the car out, need an unlocking wheel nut, and I need to get the bit out the front on an MR2 here. Get it up. There we go. Man, my new mats are already dirty. Right, MR2s are not easy to jack up, so I don't really want to leave it on one jack, so I've put those under there, which I'll lower it on when I get the wheels off. I don't want to come back upon the car on the floor because that's going to be expensive. Okay, so I got both rear wheels off. As you can see, there's the culprit. Don't know how it got in there, but it did. But this tyre, you can see, is pretty much on the limit. And then this one is actually on the limit, smooth. I mean, there's still tread, but no, it is getting limit. So that's why I decided to get two new tyres for him. So I have to say these are pretty good. Hankook. And I got on there Ventus V12 Evo 2s. I mean, even as they are, they grip really well. So gonna put these in the Lupo now. Going down to Costco, so they're gonna do my tyres for me. So let's get down there. Right, time to load the Lupo up with some rear tyres. Oh, hit one. Oh, gotta get them both in. That's two. Oh, there we go. Two tyres in. Woo. done it. I could have drove that down, jacked it up in the car park, took the wheels off and give it to him, but I couldn't bother to do that in the car park, sod that. So let's get it done. Right, I don't have a mount in the Lupo to put this on, so I can't do any talking while I'm driving, so when I get to Costco's, we'll do it then. It's so weird, like my car next to me. Do you want to race, mate? I think the Lupo will win. Oh well. Right, let's get down to Costco with my loaded car. Right, made it to Costco, so let's go in there and find out. Probably can't film in there because they probably don't want me filming them doing their tyres and stuff, so let's get in there, get the tyres done. Okay, got my new tyres. Look at the tread. I hope they go on the car now. They are quite a bit wider. Oh well, we'll find out in a minute. I'm gonna go and put them on, clean them up. Great, it is now raining, so I'm gonna have to get wet. Nice. Right, moment of truth. Will these go on and not rub? I don't think they will, but I hope not. State of that, I don't know what I drove through. Paper mache factory. Well, that'll have to be cleaned at some point. Right, it's raining, I'm getting wet. I have to torque the wheels up, but I've got them on. I have to say, I'm pretty close. So I'll find out when I drive it if they rub. But look at that. But they are in there. So let's tighten them up. And that is job done for today. Oh, took a long time. That's not oil from my car. That is oil out of the jack. Don't know why it's leaking, it is. It's got an oil leak. Oh, I'm a drowned rat. Blech. Look at that, man. It is lobbing it down. Car's beating good though. Proves I keep it clean. Oh, right, well now I've got to drive it in the wet with new tyres to see if it rubs. I'm not having a good day today. Everything is breaking. My garage door's broke. Don't know if the tyres would go on. I had to wait round for them. My squirty bottle wouldn't work. I don't know what else went wrong. Everything. I'm sure there'll be more to go. Say it coming freeze, but with me, it's just everything. So, right, let's test this car out. Right then, can take the car out. Let's see if the tyres rub. I hope not. One way to find out, I guess. Let's take it for a drive. Oh, it's so wet. Got to sort my alternator belt out as well. So many things to do. There's always somewhere. Don't get it. MR2. Most reliable car ever. But alternator belt needs doing. Cam belt needs doing. Tyres done. What else needs doing? Don't know. It never ends. There's always somewhere. Drop link needs doing. Oh man, I'm just gonna have to write a list down one down on. Just have this big long list like, oh, needs doing. Do it now. Fronts need doing soon. So, oh well. Right, let's see what happens. Are they gonna rub? Ooh. Haven't hit a bump yet. Oh, that water's just coming in there. Water. So far, so good. Maybe it's going to be alright. Doesn't seem to be rubbing at all. I mean, I haven't hit any massive bumps, I admit. But normally if they're going to rub, they're going to rub. So far, so good. Right, well, it looked alright. Tyres didn't seem to rub, so hopefully they'll just be fine. I mean, I didn't hit any potholes, I think, but even the old tyres rub when you hit potholes because this car's quite low, so not a lot I can do about that. So, Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres. So I got those. I'm going to have to get 2 fronts, like I said, soon. But yeah, so luckily went on, they fitted the rims, they're not rubbing, so should be fine. So, mission accomplished. Yeah, woo. Right, that is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. See you later, bye.